Hi, I'm Bill,
I'm Lori.
and you're watching the 12th Avenue Cuisine channel. It's it's not an astrophotography channel. Lori and I just got done shooting a video for my channel, Astro Vagabond, which is focused on astronomical imaging. And we thought it would be a good idea to give our 12th Avenue Cuisine viewers an update on what we've been doing. You haven't seen any new content from us in a while. As many of you may be aware, though, we did decide to redo the backyard, the patio
So
area.
our set looks a lot nicer.
Yeah, it's a lot nicer. There's certain features now that we don't have a curb, so I can roll the rack with the pizza ovens on it right along onto the patio area from the garage. Before I had to lift it up, it was hurting my back, all those things. So that's kind of good stuff. So we are getting geared up again, start cooking in the backyard. And Max, I don't know if you're still following us. I know we wanted to get together since you're basically a neighbor, but I was kind of reluctant because of the shape of the backyard, uneven surfaces, and whatnot. So what we thought we would do is share some video that we made on the backyard patio rebuild project that we posted up on our Lori and Bill Retired channel. And so we're going to share some of that with you, and then we're going to come back with some closing comments. So please enjoy. The overall goal of this backyard redo is to make it safe. There's a lot of uneven surfaces, and also create an attractive environment where we wanted to go outside and be in the backyard. And as you can see here, it's not very attractive. Lori and I had put the blue stone patio together, I don't know, 8-9 years ago. We thought that might be a solution, and but still there was a lot of spaces that were kind of ugly and uneven surfaces. All this blue stone was saved as part of the demo. Silva contractor stacked it on the side of the house. We'll use it for a future project. But yeah, we really wanted to make this yard safe so we can invite people over, have a good time, and have it arranged in a way that made sense, where there was different seating areas, and the chances of someone tripping were greatly reduced based upon what you see here. The water was not draining well in the backyard, so that can always be a potential issue. Here's a short wood retaining wall that they took out that I had put in about 9 years ago, and they used stone, as you saw. So yeah, it was a worthwhile project, and our space is really lovely to spend time in now. So let's take a look at what they did. Okay, here Lori and I are going to walk through, and right away, hopefully you notice that we've got a lot of level surfaces here, which was very important to us for several reasons, and in particular, as we age, we wanted to have less trip hazards in the backyard. And as we had previously said in the opening, we wanted the opportunity to bring some people in. Here we're taking a look at the step. There was a wood step there before, all that red brick, and Lori's pointing out that because when we remodeled the house like 10 years ago, the contractor for some reason put a clean out down below this door here. So our Silva contractors who we hired to do this paver work came up with that idea to put a Christie box in there, and it's worked out really well. And so a lot of value there working with the group that we worked with. The key thing here is that now that we have a level surface, and as I indicated before, I now have the ability to roll the pizza oven rack right out from the garage onto the surface here. We have a lot of opportunities of where we can place it. One, for when we start shooting our videos, and two, when we have people over. And not having that curb when we had the old red brick in there is nice. We decided to put a fire ring in. You know, we've already used it a couple times. We had a gas line, which I'm pointing out here, that already extended to the outside of the house. So Silva just kind of created a T connection there so we can get gas to our grill. And then they created a channel per code to run underground the gas line to the fire pit, fire ring area here. And so that's pretty cool. And what we tried to do was create multiple seating areas on the new patio. So there's the feel of different kind of small rooms. I mean, we had a small backyard to begin with, so you know, but this has been really a good addition. And here they put in a stone kind of retaining wall where I had the wood a retaining wall that we built about 9 years ago to hold back the planting area there. So that was really good. And just while it's not directly related to cooking in the backyard, since we did have a water line next to the gas line on the house there, they just ran some piping over and gave us a spigot here, so it's easier to reach the planting area at the rear of the yard. So yeah, we're really excited to get the pizza ovens going again. I'm going to be going out of town, so probably in about 2 weeks we'll have some content. Lori and I are also going to go down to the Pickleball Nationals down in Indian Wells at the tennis garden. So, but we'll start producing content here soon and get that up. We miss interacting with our viewers and subscribers, and again, check out 12th Avenue Cuisine Insiders on Facebook, and you can join us there. It's a private group. You can post your content, and yeah, this is our new patio. Well, we hope you enjoyed looking at our backyard project.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
If you like our videos.
Yeah, thumbs up always helps, comments help, and we'd like to get some updates on what you've been doing as well. So don't hesitate to put some things in the comments.
Or on Facebook, 12th Avenue Cuisine Insiders.
That's right. Feel free to join that. It's a private group, but we'll let you in and share some of your work there as well. All right. That's about it for now.
Bye.